Alright, it's time for everyone's favorite LEGO Fake series. Parcel from Joom is here, so let's build it. Now let's see what's inside. Inside should be two parcels. One should be Harry Potter set, fake LEGO Harry Potter set, and the other one should be fake LEGO Ninjago minifigures. Hopefully they got it right this time, because one of the previous times we got something that was completely different. Loads of packaging as usual. So what do we got first? So these are the Ninjago minifigures. Let's get them out and let's compare them to the real thing. Ooh. Nice, we have we have building instructions, and that's pretty awesome because there are different building instructions for the different minifigures, even though the building instructions are pretty much the same. So we have Lord Carmadon, we have Lloyd, we have Zane, Cole, Jay, and of course Kai. Motorcycles and stuff. And do you know what? These fake LEGO minifigures actually look pretty good. I would say, let's choose a random one. Let's build the fourth one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, which is Lloyd. Where are you? There we go. Green on green. And there are two faces. Wow. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is a difference right there. Give me a second and I'll find my Lloyd, which is going to be quite a task because I have no idea where it is. So if I can't find Lloyd, I hope you'll be okay if I get another Ninjago figure. I have about 5 Kais, so oh no, there he is. Good. So I have the real Lloyd here. And the fake one. First look looks identical. We're not talking about the colors, of course. Build quality, you can tell straight away that this one is the cheap one, but it's not the cheapest possible one, let's say. However, when you get this bit here, so fake Lloyd feet, real Lloyd feet, and legs, and yeah. However, considering the price, I think this one is pretty good. Now, let's keep going. Have a motorcycle chassis, which feels good. Yeah, it's okay. Actually, it's not cheap, very cheap one. Oh, wait, we forgot the swords. Okay, here we go. Head, kind of happy face, and one sword here. Honestly, I'm happy with it. I know it's fake, it doesn't feel as high quality as the real LEGO, but it's not bad at all. So I would say it's a win. Now let's build this. So we have these bits here. Overall the pieces are good. They stuck well and they are definitely compatible with real Lego. It's going like this. I don't know. I think so. It should be something like this. Oh yeah, there you go. So we have the steering here. Good. Oh, I like the wheels colors. Cool. Well, do you know what, guys? It's okay. Yeah. It's definitely okay. It's again not a real Lego, so don't expect it to be the same quality as the real Lego, but it's definitely not a very low quality, so it's perfectly acceptable if you want just to get some toys to play with around and don't bother if you lose any pieces. Yeah. And we also have, how many of these? 6 of these. I can't remember the price, so I'll put the link down in the description with the current price of this thing, but it was cheap. That is good. I like it. Now, I think we're going to end this video here, and we're going to make another video for this packet here, which should be a Harry Potter set, but I don't know yet. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button down there if you want to help us, and also if you like the video, hit the like button, of course. And I hope to see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.